Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Beaverbrook Summer Institute. My name is Sertac Karaman. I'm an associate professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and I'm the academic director for the Beaverbrook Summer Institute program. The Beaverbrook Summer Institute started in 2016 as a spin-out of one of our robotics classes, in which at the time, the students programmed these little cars that you're seeing in the screen to make them fully autonomous. At that time, the program had 46 students, which in 2017 grew to about 100 students, and then to 200 students in 2018 and 250 students in 2019. And the students have taken one of almost 10 classes, each one of which emphasize an emerging technology and hands-on learning. For example, the first class you're seeing, Autonomous Race Car Grand Prix, which you've seen the video of, has featured at that time of our teaching, it has featured hands-on learning with a small autonomous car that you've seen. And also it is inspired by the developing industry of autonomous vehicles. Similarly, we have courses that are inspired by UAVs, courses that are inspired by cognitive systems, 3D printing, satellites, and much more. We have also started programs that are for women students, as well as students for who are in middle school programs participated in our summer program. Due to the challenges posed by the pandemic, this year we're making the whole program virtual. We still have 8 courses, each one of which are very interesting and very powerful. Even though the program itself is virtual, in many of these topics, we've actually shipped some equipment to the students who can then build the hands-on experience at the comfort of their homes while they participate in online courses managed by our teaching assistants and our staff. Keep in mind that all of the courses that we're teaching for high school students are in fact inspired in some way by MIT courses. For example, the Autonomous Grand Prix course is actually inspired by MIT's flagship Robotic Science and Systems course, which I had the pleasure to teach up until very recently. And this class uses a very similar card platform that our high school students use today, and use that to race in MIT's basements. The classes are also inspired by our research at MIT, as well as the MIT Lincoln Laboratory. In particular, for example, my research group at MIT is very interested in very fast-going drones. It's very hard to experiment with these drones. Here's our lab from a few years ago, and a drone trying to fly around, hitting obstacles, hitting the ceiling, and trying to turn around and getting into a whole bunch of challenges. In order to remedy this, for example, we have developed a system that allows us to take the drones and put it into virtual reality. Here you're seeing a drone navigating an open room, an empty environment, but it is hallucinating a completely different environment where it's racing through. This drone can even be in the same environment together with another human agent. Here you're seeing one of our students in a motion capture room, and it appears in the drone's camera in the virtual reality environment. And all of these kinds of research that we're doing right now on simulation systems, virtual reality, and robotics all feed into the classes that we're providing today, especially the virtual parts that our students utilize. Thank you, everybody, for listening, and thank you so much for your attention. Keep in mind that our students are demonstrating very, very advanced technology today, and they had a lot of fun, and they enjoyed themselves a lot in building them. I hope you'll also enjoy their demonstrations and their work today. Thank you so much for being here.